Hi, my name is Alex. I'm part of the Anchor team, and I'm going to show a quick overview of a new dev tool we're about to release called lcl.host. lcl.host makes it really quick and easy to add HTTPS to your local development environment. It handles all the certificate and DNS configuration and generates easy setup instructions for our application. I'll run through the setup process with a new Next.js app here on the right. First of all, I'll run the Anchor LCL command in my terminal, then authenticate with Anchor via GitHub. This will provision personalized HTTPS resources for my development environment. Next, we'll launch a diagnostic server to walk us through the setup process. This diagnostic server is running on our local machine. It's using an LCL host subdomain that will work because all subdomains of LCL host always route to the local host IP address. As you can see, we get a not secure warning because our system hasn't been configured yet. Next, we'll update our trust stores, which requires us to enter our password. Once that's done, our browser will trust the certificates presented by our diagnostic server and will be set up for local HTTPS. Now, we'll configure some basic information about our application, and that's all I need to start issuing certificates for my development environment. In fact, it's already dropped a usable pair of certificates and keys on our system. We can run our Next.js server and manually pass these into the server process to get HTTPS, but instead of doing that, I'm going to use the generated instructions to automate certificate provisioning. I'm adding the Anchor PKI configuration to our server to create an HTTPS certificate at startup and adding API tokens and configuration to our environment so that the Acme client can reach out to anchor.dev to provision a certificate. Now I can start the Next.js server, and I see that it's listening for HTTPS at next.js.lcl.host, our local port, and loading into my browser. I now have a secure context using HTTPS in my development environment, and now have dev prod parity for HTTPS.